Someday at Christmas, men won't be boys, playing with guns like kids play with toys. One warm December, our hearts will see a world where men are free. Someday at Christmas, there'll be no wars, when we have learned what Christmas is for, when we have found what life's really worth, there'll be peace on earth. Someday in a world where men are free. Maybe not in time for you and for me, but someday at Christmas time. Someday at Christmas we'll see a land with no hungry children, no empty hands. One happy morning people will share a world where people care. Whoa.
Jamaica, dream with me if you can. Imagine our land, no more hunger, no poverty. A system will right for everyone.
One shining moment, one prayer away from our world today. Someday all our dreams will come to be. Someday in a world where men are free. Maybe not in time for you and for me, but someday at Christmas time. Someday at Christmas, man will not fail. Hate will be gone and love must prevail. Someday a new world that we can start with hope in every heart. Yeah. Someday it will be so nice. My Jamaica. So Jamaica, this is Mark Golding, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and all the very best for the new year when it comes.